hope you enjoy it. It's a lot more fun than you really think. Well, I'm going to bed. Well, no, I'm not. I'm just going to sit up here and tell you the story of my life. I got picked up by a two-leg. They were really big, and they took me home. I was really young. They took me away from the only home I ever had. Quick Trip. It's a gas station. It's really cool. And then eventually I got bigger. I could run, I could play around, and they had food for me. That's what I liked. And they also had a little mouse toy. I love this mouse toy. It's so much fun. And I got more big and more big. Then I became bigger. I miss my days as a kid, but maybe Buddy can help. Hey, Buddy! Do you wanna maybe play a game? Yeah, Hiccup, of course I'll play with ya. We had all kinds of fun together. But then he passed away. But then I got a new friend. His name was Baby Kitty. He was really tiny. I love having a bigger home. It's so much more fun. It's fun jumping all around. I love it. What if I knock this down? What do I do inside of it? It's so much fun. Just let me rest. I'm tired. We'll play later, Baby Kitty. Aw, please. I said we'll play later. I said we'll play later. Sorry. Whatever. I'm going to bed. And I got a new friend. This was many seasons later when Baby Kitty got bigger. Anyone want to play with me? Please! I'm just so little. I don't have much to do. I can only play with this mouse toy almost the size of me. Look at it. It's so big. Hiccup, Baby Kitty, can you play with me? Oh, this stair's pretty big. Why did they go upstairs so much? Guys, I can't get up there. Guys, I gotta climb. I gotta up. Oh, there must be another room. She's our bird here. Hello? Kitten, are you in the trash can? No, she'd be screaming for help. I'll just sit here. Kitten, I see you. I see you under there. I can't get under there. I'm too big. Come out here. No. Fine, I'll go to baby kitty. Oh, let me guess. The little kitten's acting up again. Oh, I hate her so much. She's so annoying with her little... Like, that's so annoying. Right, Hiccup? No, it's not annoying at all. She's just a kid. An annoying one, all right. Ugh, I'm gonna stay in these pillows. And when baby kitty got older, he had stripes. Where's that kitten? Hello, kitten. I'm hungry. Meow. When is it wet food time? Hey, little kitten, where are you? I heard you. Nice try, but you're not tricking me. I'm just gonna lay here for a bit. And kitten got older. Hello, guys. Guys. I hate being so tiny. These stairs are still hard to get up. When I was a kid, it was really hard to get up. Guys, I know you're in here. I smell you. Why don't they ever like this room? But I'll let you in it. It's actually really comfortable. Just gonna lay. I'm going to bed. And years and seasons later, we got Gizmo. He's stupid, dumb, mouse-brained, whatever. But, let me tell you about Gizmo. So one day, the two legs went outside and they just came back in with a cat. Oh, why do I have to be locked up in a room? I hate it. I don't even want to sleep. I'm too young. Sleeping is for old kitties. I'm not old. I'm young. More young than the clans. I know about them. Don't ask how. I do. Don't you dare say I don't. I do. Want me to claw your ears off? I do. I bet you don't know anything about them. They're a group of wildcats. Some cat named someone, my best friend, my kin, told me about him. And maybe he lives in there now. Oh, I'm tired now. Wait, no. I can't sleep. That's for old cats. And, of course, he grew up. Like any cat does. I'm gonna take a nap. Hopefully Kitten's not in this bed, and she's not. I'm gonna take a nap right here. Night, everyone. I sure do love being out of that room. It's way more fun. Yeah. I'm just a gizmo, and nobody cares. I'm just a gizmo, and yay, fire! Oh. Why can't I get inside? How did Hiccup do it? I guess I'll just sit under here and spy. That's actually going to be so much fun. Ooh, maybe I can hunt that mouse. Yeah, I'm going to try. I'm going to hunt that mouse. Yeah, I'm going to hunt that mouse. Yeah, I'm going to hunt that. Yeah! Yummy! Yum! Yummy, yum. I got my mouse. Yeah, I got my mouse. No kitty really cares about me. I'm gonna hide my mouse, actually. They're never gonna find it. Right here. Boom. I'm gonna hide. Actually, I know where to hide. They'll never find me. I don't think they'll ever see me. Ow. I'm gonna hide behind the couch and spy on them. I can crouch like this. Actually, no. I know where to hide. It's way better. It's 10 meowing times. What are these? Nice. Warrior books. I'm gonna grab one and start reading one. Yoink. Okay, so what happens? Oh, Cart, blah, blah, blah. You're not taking this territory. Blah, blah. Okay, this book's boring. I'm actually gonna sleep. Oh. And here comes the worst day of my life. Moving day. I don't get to live in this big house anymore. Well, I did not live in this big house. I don't live in it anymore. But I didn't be able to live in the big house anymore. Now we don't really have downstairs. Well, we do, but it's not as big. What? Why is the kennel out? The kennel's never out. What's happening? I'm scared. I don't like this. Hiccup, get in the kennel. But I don't want to. Hiccup, get in the kennel. I'm scared. Do you have my pickle? No, I don't have your pickle toy. But at least my mouse toy's in here. Get your tail in there. I don't like it. What's so good about being in here? Stay in there, Mr. Hiccup. Oh. Hello, guys. Oh, the two legs don't care about me. Sad. Guess I'll just stay in here all the rest of my life. Kitten! No! Get out of there! You gotta run! Run, kitten, run! Guys, there's no need to be worried. This place is awesome. But I am scared. Why can't I ever squeeze behind that trash can? I'm always too fat. I'm just gonna sit under here and just watch. I'm not scared. This is fun. I've never been in a new house. Could I? No. Just glass. But, oh my gosh, I have a new window in the kitchen. Yeah! 3 or 4 seasons after we moved, a new guy came in. Her name, not guy, a new girl came in. Her name is Cinderpaw Out. Not Paw. She's not a paw. She's always been Cinderpaw and Kitty when we first got her. We're just kitten. Yeah, not Kitty. Kitty sucks. I hate this cat in the window. He's so annoying. He always bugs me. Yay! I finally get to come in! Yes! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! I get this tiny place now. Well, at least I get air conditioning. That's good. Okay, I'm going to bed. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention something. Something really sad. So baby Kitty, my other friend, he sadly passed away before Cinderpoke came. He's in the paws of StarClan now. Well, at least that makes me happy, that StarClan watches over him. And that's kind of it of our story. So, hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. Whatever. Bye.